Okay, so for example, we need to find the equation. अब सर्कल की इक्वेशन निकालने के लिए हमें दो चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं. वन इज़ योर रेडियस and the other thing is your center of the circle. So let's say the center of a circle is your origin, and the radius and the value for radius is, let's say, under root 13. This is the radius of my circle. So center origin है. So इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि this will become x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So h और k की जो वैल्यू है, h and k actually is 0, 0. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to, the value of r is under root 13. So यहाँ पे under root 13 आ जाएगा, under root 13 square. So this will become x square plus y square is equal to, square and under root will cancel out, so this will become 13. So this is your answer. Okay, so let's say in this question, again I need to find the equation. Here I also want to find the equation, and let's say a point is given on a circle that is 1, minus 4. This is a point given on the circle, and the center of the circle is again the origin. Right now in every question we are taking center as the origin. Okay, now in order to find the equation we also need the radius. So what will be my radius now? So in order to find the radius, since we know that the center is actually the origin, the equation will be x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the equation that we will use because the center is the origin. So now we will substitute x and y with 1 and minus 4. So instead of x, now I will write 1 square plus, instead of y, now I will substitute minus 4 square is equal to r square. So we need to find the value of r here. So this will become 1 plus the square of minus 4 is 16 is equal to r square. Okay, so this will become 17 is equal to r square, and we will under root both the sides. So the answer will just become r is equal to under root 17. We can also write this in the decimal. We can also write it as decimals. So under root 17 is 4.12. So here the radius is 4.12. Okay, but right now we need to find the equation. So it's better that we don't write this. We don't need to use a decimal place here. We can directly write x square plus y square is equal to, instead of r now, instead of this r, now I will write under root 17 and the square Here comes the square. So again square root, and the square will get cancelled out, and this will become x square plus y square is equal to 17. So this is my answer here for this specific part. Now in this question, let's say the equation is already given to you, that is x square plus y square is equal to 8. Now for this part, since this is just x square plus y square, we can easily figure out that the center of the circle is going to be your origin. Since this form is similar as x square plus y square is equal to r square. Now what we need to do is that we need to find the value of r. So in order to find the value of r, we will just do this as r square is equal to 8. I will just equate the value of r square with 8. So under root will get cancelled out, and this will become r is equals to under root 8. And under root 8 is actually, and under root is 8 is going to become 2.83. Now again in this part, the equation is given, that is 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 25. Now what we need to do is that we need to find the value of radius. Now again look at the form. This form is similar to x square plus y square is equal to r square. So that clearly means that the center for this circle is going to be your origin. So center again is your origin. Now what we can do here is that we can take 4 as common. So let's take the 4 as common. So this will be x square plus y square is equal to 25. And then it will become x square plus y square is equal to 25 upon 4. So now if you can note that here is your r square and here is your 25 upon 4. So this r square equals 25 upon 4. And rest of the equation is similar. Rest of the equation is same, and here r square equals 25 upon 4. So now what we need to do is that we can simply use the under root on both the sides. So this will become, the square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 4 is just 2. So the radius for this will be 5 upon 2.